The overall goal of this experiment is to accurately measure the spatial and temporal distribution of pressure in the extremely aggressive environment generated close to an explosive charge.
This method can help answer the key questions in the field of blast protection engineering, such as the exact form of the imparted load and how factors such as explosive type and shape influence the imparted load.
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows us to record pressures that are beyond the limits of traditional measuring approaches.
Though this method can provide insights into free air explosions, it can also be applied to other events such as buried or underwater charges.
We first trialled the idea for this method using a single Hopkinson pressure bar and soon realised a large array is needed to accurately capture the data.
To begin, calculate the approximate maximum impulse the test frame arrangement will generate using software analysis, such as with ConWeb.
For buried charges, this process is less straightforward, as it requires more advanced numerical techniques to model the interaction between the soil, explosives, and the target plate.
Details on the production of the test frame and the load cells are each provided in the text protocol. Choose the position on the Hopkinson pressure bars that the strain gauge will be positioned, being as close as possible to the loaded face to minimize dispersion. In this setup, the thickness of the target plate and the maneuverability required to fit the bars results in the gauges being installed 250 mm from the loaded face. The calculated bar radius required to capture the event is, in this case, 5 mm. Use the tightest spatial resolution for the bars that does not compromise structural integrity. In this case, the distance is 25 mm. Further details are provided.